Hey creators, welcome back. If your YouTube RPM in the US is low, that means you're not maximizing the value of your views. The US has one of the highest ad rates in the world, so let's fix this step by step. Step 1. Target high-value topics. RPM depends heavily on niche. Advertisers pay more in topics like finance and investing, online business software, and tech tools, AI, and productivity education and career growth entertainment gets views, but business content gets paid. Step 2. Make longer videos, 8 minutes minimum. Videos over 8 minutes allow mid-roll ads, which can double or triple RPM. Don't just stretch content, add extra tips, case studies, common mistakes, step-by-step walkthroughs. More value equals more. Watch time equals more ads. Step 3. Improve audience location quality. You don't just need views, you need US viewers. Do this by using US-focused titles and keywords. Talking about tools, prices, or problems relevant to the US uploading. When US audiences are active, US traffic equals higher CPM equals higher RPM. Step 4. Increase watch time percentage. YouTube shows more ads on videos people watch longer, improve retention by starting with a strong hook, removing long intros, using pattern interrupts every 20 to 30 seconds, adding visuals, zooms, or text highlights. Retention is money. Step 5. Use advertiser-friendly language. Avoid swearing, controversial politics, sensitive topics. If YouTube marks your video limited ads, your RPM crashes. Step 6. Monetize beyond ads. RPM improves when revenue sources grow, affiliate links, digital products, sponsorships. Smart creators don't rely on ads alone. Low RPM isn't bad luck, it's usually strategy. Shift your niche, improve retention, and focus on US audiences, and your RPM can increase fast. See you in the next guide.